Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Bush, this is your initial appearance in cause number 26 DCCR 0368. You're charged with the second degree felony offense of sexual assault of a child from February 17th of 2026. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
Okay, I got one.
I'm sorry,
I got one.
who do you have?
I don't know his name.
So when you were in custody, we automatically gave you a court-appointed lawyer. But when you bond out, I expect you to try to hire a lawyer. So what I'm going to do is reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone.
Okay.
All right, if you get someone hired before the next court date, bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They all have different payment plans. I want you to try to hire someone, so you need to talk to at least 3. If you don't get anybody hired, then you need to bring me the names of the lawyers that you've talked to when you come back so that I know you've tried to hire someone, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order and you would go back to jail. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice. Tevin Edmondson. And Mr. Edmondson, were you able to get a lawyer hired?
Speak I get paid Wednesday, so I pay them.
Who are you gonna hire?
I went to Brittany home because she was the cheapest, and spoke with Mr. Lincoln today because I had reached out to him last week, but he said he was out of town, so I both reached out to him today. So he told me to just go by his office, but Brittany home, and I want to check out Mr. Bacon and see what his price was. But Brittany home, she was the cheapest.
And then who was the other one?
Ryan Kurtz.
Okay. All right, so you'll be able to get Ms. Holmes, you think, hired before that next court date?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna give you just a normal reset. Thank you for visiting with the attorneys. If you get her hired, just bring the reset notice to her. If for some reason you don't, then talk to at least 3 others. As you can tell, they all have different payment plans and charge different amounts, all right? Step in front of the clerk. Good morning. Are you Gabriel Cruz III? And Mr. Cruz, this is your initial appearance in 2 cases. The first is cause number 26, DCCR 0373. And in that case, you are charged with the 3rd degree felony offense of stalking from February 23rd of 2026. And then in cause number 26, DCCR 0374, you're charged with the 3rd degree felony offense of violation of bond or protective order. And that is from February 23rd of 2026. And since you've made bond, have you had an opportunity to hire a lawyer?
I've tried, but I can't.
Okay, so are you working?
I lost my job, but I am trying to work on getting another job.
Okay, so what I'm going to do, Mr. Cruz, is give you about 30 days to see a couple of things. One, since you've made bond in each of these cases, I expect you to try to hire a lawyer. So I want you to try to get someone hired before the next court date. If you do, just bring the reset notice that you get today, and then they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone, then I am ordering that you visit with at least 3 lawyers. Looks like you made some very large bonds on these, so I expect you to try to hire someone. 100,000 on one, and are they both 100,000?
Yes.
Okay, then you need to get a lawyer hired before that next court date. Again, if you cannot, you need to talk to at least 3. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me the names of the lawyers that you've talked to. Also, as a condition of your bond, are you wearing a GPS monitoring device? Okay, make sure you keep that charged on, and absolutely no contact or communication with the complaining witness in this case. You understand all of those rules, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice. You're Stephen Gray?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Gray, were you able to get someone hired?
No, ma'am, I'm not able to report anybody at this time.
Who'd you talk to?
Lane Walker, a firm called Dunham and Jones, and John R. Macon.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's his name.
Okay, and so are you working?
No, ma'am.
Why aren't you working?
Because they downsized my job that I was on,
and they pretty much laid everybody off. I think they only have 8 people left out of the plant right now.
Okay, are you working on finding?
Yes, ma'am. I'm looking for another job.
So what I'm gonna do is have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely, because you're gonna swear under oath that everything is true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, step in front of the clerk. You're Mark Hebert.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Mr. Hebert, this is 25 DCCR 0455. And you're on probation for driving while intoxicated, third or more. Is that correct? And a motion's been filed?
Your Honor, he's supposed to be hiring me,
Okay.
quoted him a fee and haven't, he hasn't been able to make payment yet, so I just want to be. He had an approach.
Yeah,
He had some serious medical conditions,
that's what I'm making.
and I sent a letter in back then,
Okay,
stuff he bonded out, so
so I
I
said
probably should be, I probably should be the designated.
you are, yeah. Well, I mean, if you send a letter in, then
Right,
you're
right.
on.
Right,
So,
okay,
all right. So, Mr. Parker, you need to take care of Mr. Parker, get him hired fully, and before that next court date. All right. So I want you to sign a reset notice, and we're going to go ahead and put Mr. Parker on since he sent the letter. Yes, sir. Good morning, here, Marie Lopez. Yes. And Ms. Lopez, for you, and then cause number 24 DCCR 0886, were you able to get a lawyer hired?
Oh, no, but I have talked to her.
Who'd you talk to?
Someone's birthday, the Corey Crunch on Chicken Lane.
Are you working?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you working?
4 hours.
Pay close attention here because this is a crucial legal moment. Judge West isn't deciding guilt or innocence today. She's deciding whether these defendants are taking the court's orders seriously by requiring them to contact multiple attorneys and follow their bond conditions. The court is measuring responsibility and good faith. Those small actions can make a big difference later in the case. If you were the judge, would you give another chance or take a tougher approach? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.
So where are you on being able to maybe get someone hired?
I think I can be enough for it.
So thank you for doing what I asked. I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. It's important you fill it out accurately and completely. You're gonna swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. You step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that paperwork. Calvin Smith. Good morning, you're Calvin Smith.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Smith, you've got 2 cases. You were gonna try to hire a lawyer. Did you get someone hired?
No, ma'am.
Who'd you talk to?
James McCain, Carl Parker, and Benjamin Jefferson.
Okay, and where are you on being able to get one of them hired?
I'm working on where, so it's gonna be hard.
Aren't you working?
It's my mom, she works all day, and I don't have a car. That's my thing. I tried to put out applications, but no one didn't hire me.
How'd you make these bonds? Did your mom,
Yes,
Get-
ma'am, my mom.
and does she not have the money to help you get an attorney?
No, ma'am.
I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill it out completely, accurately, because you're gonna swear under oath that it's all true and correct.
This,
And then I'll take a look at it. Step in front of the clerk. She'll give you that paperwork. David Calderon? Are you David Calderon? And Mr. Calderon, did you get a lawyer hired?
I've been able to get a lawyer hired. I have one that I haven't,
Stand up.
yes, ma'am. I have one that I have in mind. But he's been really, really busy. He said, listen, he says, you're gonna have to get back at me later.
Who?
So you could just give me, Eric Clay.
Where's he?
He's in Houston, but he said that he may be able to work with me here in Beaumont.
So it's like, this is your second court. Did you talk to anybody else?
Yes, I talked to several. I talked also to Brian Coyne, out of Houston, because I've dealt with him before. He said he can't work with me here in Beaumont. And I've been trying to get in contact with Mr. West. I've had a hard time getting in contact with him. And to be real honest with you, right now, my living situation, we're in a foreclosure right now, where I'm living at. So we're all struggling over it right now. But if you can just bear with me, man, I'm working on it. If not, I may end up having to get a court attorney.
Are you working?
No, I'm not working right now. I was working with Boone Valley Nurseries. I can show that on my phone when I clock in. And I'm no longer working with them
Why not?
due to a transportation issue.
Do you not have a vehicle?
I don't.
You don't?
No, ma'am.
Where do you live?
I'm living in Spring right now.
All right, so I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. Step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that paperwork. Yes, sir. Javon Johnson? Are you Javon Johnson? Ms. Johnson, are you wearing sweatpants today?
Only because the medical thing that you had to give me more time on, I'm swole. So like